Hey there guys, I'm just Crowe, the travelling scientist, and I just woke up, like 30 minutes ago. But I've got today off and I've decided to do a day in the life of the travelling scientist. Round 2. So heaps has changed in the last 6 months. I used to be living out of my car, driving around America and camping in some really dodgy places.
I'm on the side of the road camping. I've just been woken up by the police.
And now I'm living in a penthouse apartment in Big White in Canada. Snowboarding every day. It's pretty sweet here. Let me show you around. So here's our view. And the elevator opens up into our living room. Here's the TV. Keeps us out of trouble. Isn't she pretty? Here's our picture of Uluru just above the kitchen table. A little bit of home away from home. And here's our awesome hole in the roof. I guess that's the problem with living in the top floor of an apartment building in the snow. Snow falls through the roof. Here's our recycling pile. We should probably take the recycling out soon. Got a fully stocked kitchen. It's a little bit messy right now, sorry, there's 5 other guys living here, so, you know. Check this out, we have a toaster, we have an oven, and then we have a toaster oven for when you can't really decide which one you want to use. So handy. So that's the penthouse, pretty sweet. And now I'm gonna have myself some breakfast and think about what I'm gonna do today.
If I wanted to see a man eat an orange, I would have taken the orange eating class.
The eating of an orange is a lot like a good marriage.
Just eat the damn oranges!
Some tequila. I'm also a full-blown alcoholic now. It's water. It's my water bottle. Anyway, I thought long and hard about it and I've decided that today, probably gonna go snowboarding. Let's do it. Let's go. Alrighty, here we are at Sessions Tap House and Grill. Best place to get a beer on the mountain of Big White. Oh. So a few cool things about this place.
They brew their own beer, which is awesome. They've actually helped brew it. It's really nice. I work here, which is really cool. It's run adjacent, so you can literally snowboard in, grab a beer, and then snowboard out again. And just plays awesome music all the time. Very cool. All right, now that I've had a beer and I'm all recharged, I think it's time to hit up the park. Alrighty, for lunch, leftovers. Got a nice vegetarian chili here that I cooked the other day. It's pretty good. Tell you what, it's really nice having a fully stocked kitchen. I mean, living out of the van, cooking with a single gas cooker and eating out of pots and pans was not so much fun. So it feels awesome to have a kitchen with a kettle and a toaster and an oven and a fridge and all that good stuff. So good. In fact, I may as well make the most of it. I'm going to cook something right now. So for the next minute, this video is going to turn into a cooking video. Enjoy. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, so today we're going to be cooking chocolate caramel slice. Now you're going to take 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of coconut, and 125 mils of melted butter. You know what, I really can't be bothered talking through this entire cooking process, so I'm just going to make it one of those like voiceless musical cooking videos. Sounds good, right? Alrighty, so now that's in the fridge, you just need to wait for it to cool down. I'm gonna go to the hot tub. Alrighty, solid hot tub. But I came back and I forgot to get some footage of the final caramel slice, and me and my friends kind of ate it all, so sorry about that. But anyway, that's been a day in the life of the traveling scientist here in Big White in Canada. Lots of snowboarding, a little bit of cooking, a few sneaky beers, and a nice hot tub. There's not much science going on up in this mountain right now, but I've been really enjoying my time here. It's a really cool place. You should definitely check it out sometime. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button down below. And let me know what sort of videos you'd like me to make in the future in the comment section down below. Finally, subscribe for more traveling science every single week, and time for me to go to bed, but I'll catch you guys next Science Sunday. Cheers.